Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me in Springwatch. 14 video projects coming out to you back to back for 2 solid weeks, all focusing on the Spring, Summer and Celebration catalogue. And we're into week 2 now, so there's a whole week, 7 of them last week. And we're into another 7 this week. And I'm going with Welcome Easter. But actually, you know what? It doesn't have to be an Easter box. But you know, who wouldn't love a pink chick on a box? But this is the stamp set. It's lovely. It could be for baby because actually it says welcome to the world, little one. I just think it's lovely. I'm going to make a blue bunny because if I can have a pink chick, I can have a blue bunny. Okay, you need a piece of cardstock that's 8 by 4.5 inches, 20.5 by 11.5 centimetres. So yes, you can get 2 from a single sheet of cardstock. Balmy blue today. This one was so saffron. But yeah, I'm going balmy blue on here. On the long side, score it at 1 inch, 3.5, 4.5 and 7 inches, which in metric 2.5, 9, 11.5 and 18. And then whoopsie, on the short side, score it at 1 inch and 3.5 inches, which in metric is 2.5 and 9. So the finished dimensions, it's 2.5 by 2.5 by 1 inch, 6.5 by 6.5 by 2.5 centimetres. So it's 1 inch deep, 2.5 inches wide, good size. You could fit quite a lot of treats in there. Yummies. You could fit booties in there if it was for a new baby. Definitely. Okay, so where is my only pair of snips? Because I don't need big scissors. There they are. Right, so when you hold it this way round, all of these squares we're going to wedge into all of these squares and keep the 4 rectangles perfectly straight. So there we go. Oh, rubbish scissors. What? I have to do it with the world's biggest pair of scissors. You don't need great big scissors like that. So each of them we're wedging in. And just do this all the way round for all 6. I love this star box. I've made loads of variations of this. My feeling is that I design the measurements of a box and decorate it for your viewing pleasure. But it's you guys that use those dimensions that I've created for you and you make it very much your own. And I love it when people send me photographs of what they've made, when they share in the Pootles Craft Forum Facebook group. And we're well over 13,000 members in there now. So go and have a look for it, Pootles Craft Forum. But I love it when you take a project that I've designed but you totally make it your own. That just makes me so happy. Right, so I'm going to put some glue on all 6 of these parts. I'm looking for my tearing tape underneath the stamp set. So yeah, although I've made the project before, or made this style of box before, never decorated it with a pink chick before, at least I don't think so, or a blue bunny. Why can't I have a blue bunny? I can have a blue bunny. Okay, so there's tape in each of those corners. And I've stuck it to myself. Okay, so fold it round and build up the sides, and that's what we're doing. We're just building up the shape of the box. There we go. And just keep working round. And that's the box made. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tie this beautiful ribbon on, which I'm addicted to. Not yet onto roll 2, despite the fact I put it into lots of videos and lots of samples. I'm not yet on my second one. I could be given how much ribbon I've just ripped off, but no, it's lasting a long time. So what I'm going to do for ease for myself is I'm going to tie my bow on the top and then move it to the side after. So that's my bow now on the side. Just lovely. So it's a bit like a picture book. Right, so I've got a piece of cardstock that sits over the front. That's 2¼ inches square, 6 centimetres square, and that's going to sit over the front. And I'm going to pick my bunny. Although I'm now half tempted to do... No, I'm going to stick with my blue bunny. I'm assuming it's going to fit. Yes, it fits. Phew! Didn't think of that before. Okay, so I'm going to take a block that is way too big. And the reason I want it to be far too big is so that I can see comfortably all the way around it when it's that way round. Let me put it on a smaller block, which it will fit on here, but actually when it's down, it's all a bit distorted. You can see there, it's a bit distorted round the sides. So when I'm doing stamping like this, I always go for a block big enough that I can see all the way around it comfortably. So, Memento. So I do a twist tap tap technique with Memento. I've probably got hair in the camera lens now. Little bunny on there, so cute. I'm going to have a bee, and I'm going to have some flowers. And I think I can probably fit my flowers in this section. Am I going to fit my bee in there? I hope so. Yes! Aren't they cute? Right, so what I need now, so I've got my balmy blue pear for Bunny. I think I'm going to have a little pink nose, so I'll have a flirty flamingo over there, the light one. I need yellow for my bee, and the centre of the flowers. What colour flowers should I do? Should I stick with pink? Because I've got, yeah, okay, so when I come in with a pink nose, for starters, I'm just waiting for the edge of the black of the Memento to dry. Oh, let me zoom in for you, sorry. I want the Memento to dry. Particularly on the bunny. Oh, there's a flower still to do because I'm going to be doing blend work with it. Daffodil to light in the centre. Now for my little buzzy bee. Okay, so I'm going to start with the light. And where shall I start? Oh, I need to do pink on the bottom of his feet. I want to do a paler pink than that. This might be a bit too pink. Pale. No, that's good. I'm totally winging it. I haven't owned a rabbit in years. I'm highly allergic to rabbits, unfortunately. We didn't know I was highly allergic to rabbits when I was a child. We thought I had hay fever. Nope, that would be an allergy to rabbits. I've discovered it when I was older, when we no longer have rabbits. And a friend of mine did, and actually the whites of my eyes swell up, so I'm saying I have no idea if I'm doing the right colours. I'm colouring a blue rabbit. I'm just questioning whether I've got the right colours or not for his feet. It doesn't really matter, it's a blue rabbit. Okay, so I'm just picking out blobs and I'm going to blend those in because that's what we do. We blend and have fun. Yeah, highly allergic to rabbits, and they are my favourite animal. Aside from my cats, they are my favourite animal ever. Yeah, very allergic. Allergic so much that when my son was in reception class, or actually maybe nursery class, I don't remember which, he was very young, somebody bought them 2 rabbits for the class, and I actually had to say to the school, you need to put overalls on him. That's how bad my allergy is. Not a life-threatening allergy, as in I can't see, the whites of my eyes swell allergy. And I said he can handle them, but you need to scrub his hands and not be coming with even a single bit of rabbit fur. Did bridal makeup for a girl who got married, obviously, because it was bridal makeup, but she had 2 bunnies and they were house rabbits. And she didn't sort of say to me, are you allergic to anything? But she did keep them out of the room that I was in. I guess it's not a question you ask, are you allergic to rabbits? But she kept them out of the room that I was in, just in advance of me coming anyway. But the fur in the hair, in the air, not good. Anybody else got any allergies to strange stuff? Okay, look at my bunny, he's all coloured up. That is so cute. Right, let me zoom back out again. Whoopsie, too far. There we go. And pop this on here. So I'm going to use dimensionals on this. Oh, at the end of a sheet. Use every bit. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh. That has just made me smile so much. A pink chick and a blue bunny. Why not? Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me and my crazy waffling. I hope to speak to you very soon. Looking to my left to see what project's coming tomorrow and whether it's going to be chitter chatter as well. No, you're saved. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.